So if you're anything like myself, I have everyday stressors that sometimes keep me from sleeping and actually help my insomnia take over. I toss and turn, and when I finally get to sleep, I don't stay asleep. I have suffered through this for many, many years before I found yoga. So through the practice of yoga, I have been able to clear my mind and fall asleep a lot easier. I also have been able to help with the joint pains that I have very often in my knees and in my hips. It helps relax my body. Most of these exercises are pretty simple. I want to demonstrate a few of them for you today. It's made me be able to bend over and tie my shoes again. I can even, again, touch my toes. I've been able to also I've also been able to just have an overall, feel better about myself. So some of the moves that I want to demonstrate to you today are the butterfly fold, the reclining pigeon, and then legs up the wall. And some of these have really, really funny names, but in fact, the reclining pigeon is one of my favorites. Now, let's see. So first is the butterfly fold, and it helps you stretch your thighs and your spine, and it improves your flexibility. It also helps the body remove tension, and it allows it to relax. So that's why it's a really good move to practice before you go to sleep. So first what you would do is you sit down on your mat, and you put your feet together. And then I straighten out my spine and pull my shoulders back. And then I start going down.
Of course, breathing through it the whole time. In through your nose and out through your nose.
And there's something about the exhalation that it allows you to be able to push just a little further down and a little further down. Now the next pose is the reclining pigeon. And what this one does, it actually helps spread out, it actually helps you loosen up your hip muscles and your legs as well, your thighs. So I lay on my back, and then I cross my left leg over to my right knee. And I have to push this one back just a little bit. Grab this leg, my right leg with both my hands, and pull towards my chest. And you can also switch it up and do the other leg. And the goal is to try to get your foot that's on top as close to your chest as you can. And then finally, it's legs up the wall, and it's actually exactly what it sounds like. So you get your bottom as close to the wall as you can, and then your legs up the wall. And you sit there, and this is usually one of the last poses that you practice because you're breathing in and out of your nose and relaxing your body. It helps release tension from your lower back and your shoulders. And you can just slowly feel your body relax. So all of these moves combined, along with several other ones that I like